Over the past months, we've gone around asking present investors and prospective investors on some of the questions that they would have regarding entrance into investments or some of the challenges that they can experience. In this series, we're going to respond to each and every one of those questions. Welcome to Nabo Capital. My name is Wangeci Kihara, a private wealth advisor.
The first question will be, what investment vehicles are there in the market, and which ones are the best, and which ones will fit my salary range so that I can be able to get good returns. Yes.
So in terms of the investment classes, technically speaking, they're divided into traditional asset classes and you have alternative investments. So traditional asset classes are what majority of us know. Those are the bonds, the stocks, the cash and cash equivalent. So in terms of investing in these asset classes, you can do so directly or you can do so indirectly. So indirectly is by the alternative of going through a fund manager such as ourselves. You'll find an asset class or a fund such as money market invest in T-bills, a fund such as fixed income invest in bonds. So some of the reasons why an investor would choose to invest in traditional asset classes indirectly through a fund manager such as Nabo Capital would be, one, to take advantage of their professional expertise. You have research analysts to understand when is the best time to buy a stock, which stock is best to buy, when is the best stock to buy it. If this is not something you do on a day-to-day basis, you may not necessarily have the technical expertise to do so. Also, they have an understanding of how the market is performing. The good thing about indirect investments through the unit trust would be also in terms of liquidity. If you buy a bond that is 20 years, you have to wait every 6 months for you to be paid a coupon. If you do invest through a fund such as a fixed income, you get your interest on a month-on-month basis and it's also compounded. So those are the two asset classes. You have the traditional assets and you have the alternative investments. So in response to the question regarding investment that align to your salary does not necessarily guide in terms of the investment vehicle that you're going to choose. What guides more is your goal. So you could be earning 500,000, but your level of risk is low. Somebody else could be earning 100,000, but their level of risk is high. So best would be relative. When you're looking for an investment, you want to think of it in best in terms of, does it align to your goals, the level of risk and return that you're getting, the level of regulation that you're getting in terms of the investment vehicle. So that's how I would address it, rather than looking at it, my salary is X, so which is the best asset class? You need to ask yourself, my goal is XYZ. Which investment aligns to this particular goal? Would love to hear from you. Please give us your feedback on the comment section. You can also subscribe to our channel and send any feedback that you have to Nabo Capital.